How's it going, everyone? Welcome to My Future Success. You guys, I want to address a really good question that I got this morning, and it's when you convert over from paper or demo trading into live trading. And the question that I got was, Justin, I'm being really successful on the paper trading, but when I'm switching over to live trading, it just seems like things aren't working out in my favor. So you guys, I've actually experienced this quite a bit myself in the past, and I want to give you the top 4 things. And I'm just saying this from a very personal experience of what exactly has happened to me. So this is not on anyone, but if you can find some true value in this, I hope you can. But speaking for myself, there's 4 things that I have done that have dramatically increased my win rate on a live account compared to a demo paper trading account. And the first one that I can say is the emotions behind trading when you're with your own hard-earned dollars compared to a paper trading. The emotions are definitely there. A lot of people will be like, emotions with trading, it's not emotions, just follow what's on your chart. It's really easy to say that, but even for myself, sometimes emotions will get into play and I'll almost start double guessing metrics on what they're doing in the market because I may be seeing like, I want to get into a better position, where at the end of the day, we just have to trust what we're seeing on the charts and stick with it. The time frames that I would honestly suggest, if you're new to trading and you're switching over from demo to live money, I specifically myself don't trade the first hour and a half to 2 hours of opening. The market open where I'm at, since I'm on the West Coast, is 6:30 a.m. A lot of my videos that you guys will see me doing is not going to be until 8, 8:30, or 9 o'clock. I honestly prefer, you want my honest opinion, I would wait till 9 a.m. I'm Pacific Standard Time to get onto my charts and take a look and then do an analysis, because at that point, the market has typically chosen a direction. Can you still trade in the mornings if you're trying to do this before work? Yes, you absolutely can. But I specifically like to be able to see a market direction and have it pick that during the day. So that's one of emotions. Just try to focus on what you're seeing on the charts and not double guess it. The time frame, if you can, I would highly suggest just waiting the first couple hours out to let all the buy and sell orders that are trying to go through the market settle out and then look for a trend. The other 2 things is going to be the contract size that you're looking at. A lot of times we get stimulated on the amount of money that is going up or down when you see it on our DOM over here. Guys, I used to trade with 8 lots in the market and also 10 lots in the market with a $10,000 account balance, and it would literally move $100 per tick. And I got to a point where it was almost too much mentally for me to be able to see an account go up and down that much. And I actually put it down to 4 lots and then now even 2 lots with a $2,000 account balance, which you guys have seen my live account with. And I'm just trying to go for consistency and great trades in the market and just focus on doing that over and over again. If you are trading with an amount that doesn't mean anything to you, meaning if you're going to start a live account, there's no reason why you can't start with, let's say, $500 and trade micro E-minis, which instead of every one of these moving $12.50 per tick, just moves $1.25. Are you going to get rich off of that? No. I don't want people to get rich off of this right away. What I want you to do is get a pattern down and show consistency. Because if I'm a trader that can take $2,000 and pull out, let's say, 500 in a week and make 25%, why can't a trader with $20,000 do the same and take out $5,000 in a week? You see what I mean? The principles have not changed at all, but the motions at that time, as you build up account bigger and bigger, don't actually get to you as much because you're used to the dollar amounts on your DOM fluctuating up and down. The last thing that I have seen myself, guys, I have been in some low times in life where I've had to I needed to make money. And I'll be the first to say, if I am trading to make money for a living, I do worse off than if I'm trading for fun as extra income and just sticking to principles. Now, a lot of people want to be able to get onto charts and make $500 to $1,000 within a couple days or $200 in a day. Is it realistic to do so? With the right amount of capital and sticking to a strategy, it is. But when you're first starting off, if you have to trade to take out your bills and you're trying to supplement it from a 9 to 5 job, from my experience and from other experienced traders that I've spoken with, it's just not a good way to do it. The only time when you can financially be able to do something like this, and I don't want to be as like a financial advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're in a situation in your life where you don't owe necessarily anything, let's say credit card debt, student loans, besides like a mortgage, if your cars are paid off, if you have excess income where you can literally live for the next 6 months or so, and you have some extra capital, play with that capital. Because at that point, you're not having to tell yourself, I need to make money to survive. What you'll find is you'll go against your rules. You'll hold trades longer in the negative, hoping just to make a few $100s in the market because you have to make those funds. Please do me a favor, you guys. And I'm open to talk about this with anyone, and please send me an email. And this is what I kind of go over with a lot with my one-on-one trainings, is trying to get down a strategy that works for each individual, because every individual is different, you guys. If you can pick something that works for your lifestyle, trading with a certain amount of money that you feel comfortable that if you were to lose that within that day, you're not afraid of, then you're trading with the right amount of money. And only until you're able to get 5, 6, 7, 8 trades in a row out of 10, and you're more successful on winning trades than losing trades, that's when you can put more money into the market. And that's where you're seeing some of these traders pull out, like I showed just the other day, $600 in the market, $900 in the market. It's because following simple metrics on your chart and not being stimulated with a certain dollar amount and having the need to actually provide with trading specifically, because trading is difficult. It's not the easiest thing to do. Yes, these metrics and everything that I teach here on YouTube, they do help. They do work. I hope I'm proving that to you guys with my live accounts and with the one-on-ones that I'm doing. But just keep in mind those few things. I'm going to recap it right now. Try to just follow metrics and not let emotions get a hold of you and get trigger shy. If all the metrics are in line and you're getting a sell signal and everything is telling you to go for it, I want you to go for it. On the 1 minute time frame, stick to 2 ticks, profit. On the 2 minute time frame, I want you to stick to 4 ticks or 1 point profit. That's it. Don't go for any more, just go for that and do it over and over and over again. Time frame. If you can, I would highly suggest wait out the first couple hours at market open to wait for a general direction and then enter in on trades depending on bullish, bearish, or consolidating markets. Contract size needs to be a contract size that you're comfortable with and don't get stimulated on the DOM when you see money go up and down in your account. Lastly, if you have to trade to make money for a living, it's honestly going to be more difficult than if you're just trading to learn a skill and then perfect it. Because once you learn that skill, later on, this skill is what's going to be able to replace that job. It honestly will, but it's going to take time. This is not something that's going to come overnight. This is not something that is going to come in a week. I've honestly myself been doing this for about 10 years, and it's only in the past couple of years that I've started actually teaching and mentoring and giving this education out to masses of people, because I've had highs, I've had lows. In my past, I've had more lows than highs, but I think that's what's actually developed me into a good mentor and teacher, because I've learned from a lot of things I've done in the past that haven't worked for me. And all I want to do here on YouTube is be someone that can show you it's possible, to be a guiding hand for everyone out there who wants to learn this, and to show you that it is possible as long as you follow certain guidelines. And even if you're pulling out $25 a week, well, you guys, that's $100 in a month. What can you do with $100 in a month? Me, I like golf. That would actually probably pay for 2 rounds at a really nice golf, 4 hours with my brother to have some fun. Think of it like that. The last thing I want to leave you on here, I'm sorry it's a little bit longer video, but this is probably the best advice that I have ever given someone, and I tried it out myself, and it's worked so well. When you make profits in the market, I want you to literally go to your account, Tradovate, NinjaTrader, wherever you're trading, and I want you to take out that money that you specifically earned during that day. I want you to withdraw it out of your bank account. I want you to stick it on your desk right in front of you. Put the dollar amount, and I want you to put the time that it took you to make that money. Again, take out the money, put it on your desk, put the time that it made to make that money. I then want you to look at your lifestyle and the job or whatever you're at right now and say, how long does it actually take me to make that money in the market? And a lot of times you'll find that you'll be in a trade for 5-10 minutes and you may have made $25, $50, $100, $400. If you stick to those principles, look at how much time you've spent compared to how much time you've now freed up if you were to translate that over into a job that you're working right now. So little wins add up very, very quick. Stay consistent in the trades and just stick with what you know that works. And I guarantee you guys, you're going to become more and more successful. I hope you guys find a lot of education out of this video. I'm always here to help. If you guys want to do one-on-one trainings, I am here to help you guys out. Just send me an email below and we can go over everything on the charts, metrics, entries, exits, what to look out for, take profit, stop loss, everything. I'm here to help you guys. So have a great rest of your day. Please take this to heart. This is a video specifically done to help educate off of my past experiences that hopefully you guys will find some value in. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.